Do you want to make the silkiest, fluffiest bakery-style chocolate buttercream? I have got the perfect 5-minute chocolate buttercream recipe that is smooth, pipeable, no stress, no mess, just ridiculously good. Then follow along and watch till the end as we make this easy and quick 5-minute easy chocolate buttercream frosting. Check out the description box below for the full recipe. Let's go straight into the video. Let's begin by combining the confectionery sugar and the cocoa powder. Here is one of the tips. Sift your powdered sugar and cocoa powder before combining other ingredients with it. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, this will be the right time for you to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever we drop a new video. Do you know that you can download over 10,000 easy to make homemade recipes from your hair, skin, cooking, baking, and so on? Check out the link in the description box below to see how you can get permanent access now, and also to our online courses. Look at that texture. Perfect for cupcakes, layer cakes, birthday cakes, brownies, cookies, macarons, cake pops, dipping sauce, donuts, and so on. Now let's quickly use it as a light buttercream crumb coat layer on this cake. You should watch out for our video on how to smooth the body of your cake and how to get a sharp edge on your cake, and also how to layer them perfectly. Also how to stack them as well to prevent them from dropping or falling or bending. Let's quickly check out some unique tips for perfect chocolate buttercream icing. One is wipe the cream long and hard. Also, sift your powdered sugar and cocoa powder like we did earlier on. Also, customize the texture with cream or milk. And here is how to store your chocolate butter icing or buttercream. In the fridge, keep well for up to 1 week. So what you need to do is let it come to room temperature before using, then rewipe to restore fluffiness. While in the freezer, freeze in a sealed container or zipped up bag for up to 3 months. This is how to use after storage. Thaw overnight in the fridge, then bring to room temperature and rewipe with a tablespoon or 2 of cream or milk to refresh. If you love this 5-minute frosting fix, hit that like button, subscribe for more quick and delicious recipes, and drop a chocolate emoji in the comments if you're team chocolate all the way. You can follow us on our displayed social media handles and let us become friends and advance together. See you in our next video.